Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In today's video, we will learn how to apply for a British passport from outside the UK. But before that, we need to understand who can apply for the first passport outside the UK. You can apply for the British passport from outside the UK if you have never had a British passport before or were included as a child on someone else's passport, or are renewing a passport that is handwritten, or have become a British national by naturalization or registration. Now let's understand ways to apply for a British passport from overseas. There are different ways to apply for a British passport from outside the UK. You can apply online, or alternatively, you can use a paper application form which is called OS application form. For some countries, you may have to apply in person. Now let's discuss documents required when applying for a British passport abroad. The documentation you will require will depend on your individual circumstances. For example, if you are born before 1983, your birth adoption certificate. If you are born on or after 1983, your full birth certificate or adoption certificate that shows your parents' detail. If you have naturalized or registered as a British citizen, then your certificate of naturalization or registration and the passport that you used to come into the UK and any other foreign country. You also need two identical photographs. You also need a full color copy of any other uncancelled passport relating to you. If you have changed your name, in that case, you should provide three documents as evidence of your name in the current use, dated within the last year, and at least one of the following for each change of name that has taken place. And if you are going back to your maiden name or unmarried name, you also need to provide all of the following: a signed statement saying that you now use your maiden name for all purpose, your birth certificate and either a degree absolute showing both names, a marriage certificate showing both names. You also need to provide three documents as evidence of name and address of residency. I'll put this link in the description. This is the updated guidance which was updated on 7 January 2025. The only source I follow is gov.uk. In this, we will click on the table A and then we will see the table A: identity, name and address residency evidence. Now, which documents are accepted? So first, British passport, at least one document with photo identity, two documents which show both your name and address, non-British uncancelled passport, national identity or equivalent, driving license, any government or local produced document which includes photograph as part of the document, visa or residence permit, tax record, educational documents, employment record, letter sent to you from central, regional or local government department, medical health card, voter's card, immigration document. Further, it says, as well as above, if you are applying for a child first British passport, the following documents are also accepted. One of the document provided should show a link to the parent applying and show that the child and parent are residents where they are applying from. Further, it says you must also provide a selection of family photograph of a child with the parent, name and dated over a period of time from birth to country. Parents' identity documents, child school records, medical hospital record, birth records, mother records as well. All other applications. So these are the documents for all other applications. Next important thing is confirming your identity. A counter signatory is someone who can confirm your identity and confirm that the photograph is you and confirm the details in your application are correct. They need to fill in section 10 of the form, giving their passport number, sign the box and give their full address and contact details. The counter signatory must have known you personally for at least 2 years. For example, a friend, neighbor, or colleague, and not someone who related to you, only known you professionally. Be a professional person, live in the UK, hold a current British or Irish passport. Further, the guidance says who cannot be counter signatory must not be related to you by birth or marriage. For example, including in laws or partners of family members. Be in personal relationship with you, for example, your wife, your girlfriend, etc. Live at your address, work for HM passport office, or be a doctor or GP unless they stated that they know you well. Now let's discuss the fees. British passport overseas application fees is £101 for an adult standard passport, 113 for adult, £65 for child, £77 for child frequent travel passport. Postal application fees is £112 for adult, 16 or over, £124, £77 for a child, £89 for a child frequent travel passport. Now let's discuss payment. The fee is set in pound sterling and payable at the time of applying. You will have to pay a courier fee to cover the cost of the return for your new passport and supporting documents. In some countries where you have to apply in person, the courier fee will cover its cost. So for example, you will pay the fees to the home office and that fees will be covered. You need to pay online for this. Now let's discuss the last part, processing time for British passport application outside the UK. There is no published processing time for British passport application made outside the UK. On my channel, many applicants ask me what is the actual processing time. Every month I create a video in which I try to explain the standard processing time. Watch this video will guide you. Further, it says we have estimate that the processing time may take anywhere between 4 weeks to 24 weeks. When we say 24 weeks, it can go more than that as well sometime, depending on the country you are applying from. An estimation of the processing time should be given by the HM passport office if applying online. If your documents are missing, you will have 6 weeks to send them the documents. If you do not send them the documents in 6 weeks, your application will be withdrawn and you will not get any refund or you will be eligible for any refund.